Hello everyone, this is MyChinaBazar.com have come to the stainless steel and galvanizing steel factory. Over you get to see over here it is a vinyl coating being done to the steel. You can see how the steel is being rolled down over here and the coating is being done in a very proper way. You get to see these are totally automatized factory. The vinyl coating is being done in a proper way. It is a vinyl strips over here and it is done in a proper way. And this is really coming to the end part of the manufacturing unit. This is the vinyl steel being manufactured over here. MyChinaBazar.com have come to the steel factory. We welcome all the steel factory managers, the steel factory personnel to contact My China Bazar so that we can help you to import the best quality steel. This is the in-house production of the steel factory you get to see. My China Bazar is presently with the production unit. Our clients from India have ordered this product, so we personally are present with the production unit to see the production is done in a proper way and also in the proper time. My China Bazar always is associated with the production team so that the things are done in a very proper unit and proper time. You get to see over here you get to see over here how the steel is being rolled automatically over here. This is a full automatized process you get to see. It's a very advanced machineries that are being used. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is My China Bazaar. I've come to the steel factory. This is the manager over here and he's the owner. So they are providing very good quality of steel. You get to see these are laminated steel. The quality is very good. They guarantee that the steel won't come out and it will be of long longevity. They have provided lot varieties. You can get to see this laminated steel of many types and many varieties you get to see. This company have been there for a long time. They have got a very good quality. You get to see this is not coming off, and also they have this BIS certificate. So our Indian steel factory managers, steel factory owners, and steel factory personals, you can contact mychinabazar.com. We can provide you a very good steel from this factory. They have seen the production unit also, and this is a manager. So uh, Angaushing. 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 Okay.